Welcome to Sirappu Suvai. Today we will make a very tasty side dish for idly, dosa or chappati, that is kadappa. For kadappa I have taken 2 large potatoes. Boil and peel the potatoes and mash it. I have taken quarter cup of moong dal. Wash the dal 2 to 3 times and cook it in a pressure cooker and mash it. For the masala I have taken 2 tablespoons of grated coconut, 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds, 1 teaspoon of poppy seeds, 1 piece cinnamon stick, 4 cloves and 4 cashew nuts. Dry roast the fennel seeds, poppy seeds, cloves and cinnamon stick till they are aromatic and add it to the in a mixer jar and add cashew nuts with it and make a fine powder. Now add the coconut to the mixing and add 4 cloves of garlic. I have added 2 green chilies. If you want it to be spicy, you may add 1 more green chili. I have added 1 tablespoon of finely chopped onion and a small piece of ginger and made a fine paste of it. Now in a kadai, add about 2 teaspoons of oil, add half a teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 bay leaf and a sprig of curry leaves. When the cumin splutter and the curry leaves and bay leaves are fried, add 1 finely chopped onion and saute well. The onion should be sauteed till it is a little translucent, but the color should not change. When it is translucent, it will be a little soft. Keep the flame on medium and saute the onion. When the onion looks a little soft, add the ground masala to it and saute well. Add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, mix well and let it boil for about 3 to 4 minutes till the raw smell is gone. So in about 2 to 3 minutes, it will be a little thick like this. At this time, add the mashed potato, mix well and add salt. I have added 1 teaspoon of salt. You may add salt as per your taste. Mix well. When the salt and masala will be well mixed with the potato. Saute for a minute or 2 and then add the mashed dal, moong dal to it and mix well. Then add about 200 ml of water and let it boil. When it boils, it will become thick because we have added cashews, poppy seeds and onion, potatoes. It will become thick. So mix well and let it boil for about 5 minutes. When it will become thick like this, you can add coriander leaves to it and let it boil for a minute after adding the coriander leaves, so that the flavor of the coriander leaves are also absorbed in the kadappa. This is a very tasty restaurant style kadappa, a very good side dish, garnished with some more coriander leaves. This is a very good combination for many dishes, but the best for a very soft idli with 1 or 2 types of chutney. The kadappa on top of the idlis and eat it with the chutney is going to be actually heavenly. Everyone will love it, and once you make this kadappa, I am sure this is going to be a side dish every time for idli. I am sure all of you will make it, enjoy it and also comment and let me know how you enjoyed the kadappa. It is very easy to make, so do make it and comment. If you are watching my video for the first time, do subscribe, press the bell icon and choose the all option and you will get notification for all the videos that I post. You can make all the recipes without missing them and enjoy it and comment without fail. Let's meet in the next video.